Alright guys, well today I'm out here back at this pond here. It's very windy, so I don't know what this is gonna do for me. But I'm starting off with the chartreuse colored worm. And I'm just gonna reach it around and see if I can get me on one. Oh my goodness, it's very windy. I can't even pitch to the spots that I want with this wind. Here, kind of just working it really slow. Oh, I got caught up. There we go. There's a lot of rocks and junk underneath, so it's really easy to get caught up on junk. There we go. It's not where I wanted it to go, but I'm at the mercy of the wind right now. So. Got caught up again. See if I can get it out here this time. There we go. Oh, a fish actually went after it when it came up, but he missed it. So. Try it right there at this little spot. Wow. Oh, I just got hit, but he missed it again. Oh, I think there's one right there. Let me try to get him. Man, this one. Yeah, there was one right there that came at me and went for it, but completely missed it. Let's try this again. Let me see if this went. That's a pretty good one right there. Let's try this again. Come on, baby. Yeah, I know you're there. Come get it. And there we go. I got him. I got him this time. There we go, buddy. He's little, but I got him. He had already swung for it a couple times and missed, and but got him this time. See, check him out. He's a little guy, but I'll take him. It beats having to skunk it out. I'd rather have this than the skunk today. So. There we go. Let me ooh, it got him on the top of the mouth. There we go. Oh, come on, buddy. There we go. At least he went down there. Got him though. I'm gonna try to pitch here against these rocks and see if there's anything roaming around there. Ah, man, this wind. Wow. There we go. Try to work that one across. Gonna, you know, twitch it, pause it, Go slow, go fast. If there's something there, they will come after it. They will slam it. There we go, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Oh man, oh, he stuck me. Oh. Just like that, little guy, but he came after it. He wasn't playing around. Take a picture of him. He came at it like he meant business. This guy wasn't playing around. And I'm gonna pitch back in that same spot, because if he's there might be more in that same spot. So there we go. Little dude. Little guy.